Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a payment method on Shopify. Setting up payment options lets customers pay for their orders easily and securely. We will walk you through how to add and configure your payment method. Let's get started. On the Shopify dashboard, we will go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left part of your dashboard. Just click on it. To get to your payment method, click on Payments. From here, you can set up your payment method. To add one, just click the Add Payment Method button with the plus sign. Here, you can choose what you want to add. For example, a shopping cart. You can also choose the type of payment method, such as a Visa card. You will be shown a list of card options. Let's go with Ocean Payment as an example. Once you are here, just click Install. You will be asked to confirm the installation. Just click Install again. Once everything is set up, the payment method will be installed after verification. Since we do not have a verification ready right now, we can also add a payment method using manual payment methods. You can add options like bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. Customers can also save their preferred payment method by clicking here. You can manage all your payment methods in this section, depending on your preferences. This makes your store easier to use for customers. And that's it. You have successfully added a payment method to your Shopify store. Now, customers can complete their purchases smoothly and securely.